Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are doing the week 1 check-in for December, and that is actually going to include half of November. So it's going to run from the 28th, which is on Thanksgiving, all the way until the 4th. Now, before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you have any budgeting videos or grocery hauls, anything like that. I will be more than happy to go and subscribe to you, check out your channel and everything, and get to know you better. I am using the Erin Condren 8.5 by 11. This is the biggest planner in the Deluxe monthly. It runs about $40, and the link will be down below if you want to purchase your first planner. Absolutely love this. They do have a smaller size in this if you don't want to go that big, but it's all preference. And also the stickers that I'm going to be using is from Simply Cami. All her stuff will be down below. Also, absolutely love her. She's one of my good friends on here, and she's just awesome. So go check out her Instagram, her Etsy, her YouTube, anything. Everything will be linked down below. All right, so let's get started. So on the 28th was Thanksgiving plus Black Friday. So Thursday and Friday, I literally shopped till I drop. I started from 6 o'clock at night on Thursday, and I did not end until 10 o'clock or 10:30 that night on Friday with a 2 hour or 3 hours, 2 or 3 hour sleep. That's pretty much everything. This is how we do it every year. So I'm not going to tell you like everything that I bought in this video. You can go and check out my Black Friday haul or Black Friday vlog that I did with my mom. So go and check that out. She's hilarious. So you'll get a kick out of it. So for Black Friday, for my Christmas fund, since we're using the sinking funds, Christmas fund, I spent $728. Now, I had $800. So, I did not do a stuffing cash envelopes or sinking funds, but I did end up having $800 to spend on Christmas and everything from my Black Friday envelope and my Christmas envelope. So $728, and I'm actually going to divide it like this because literally this is all I spent. So yeah, so that is everything that I spent on Thursday and Friday. And then on Saturday, per usual, we got gas because running everywhere, that cost a lot of money. Not really, it was just $20. But we had so much fun. My mom enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. My brothers, everybody enjoyed it. All right, groceries. We went to Sam's and we went to Walmart. So I spent $46 there. Oh, why did I do it on this? Darn it. I gotta switch. I'll just white out that one. All right, groceries. $46. Let me know down below how y'all did on Thanksgiving, how y'all Black Friday shopping went. I mean, I don't know what else to say about mine because mine was great. All right, and then for Cushing, for my debit card, I ordered the December kit, which if you are watching this, you have seen my plan with me, which is Simply Cami's December kit, which I absolutely love. But I spent $23 on that. All right, and then that is it. So we used Christmas, which was $728. We did gas, $20, groceries, $46, and then Etsy was the $23. All right, so we are going to flip to our December. Now I'm going to move this iPad out of the way because I can't find my calculator. So we're just going to use my iPad as a calculator, which will probably be better. All right, December 1st, I actually worked late, so I had a no spend on that. And then on the 3rd, on Tuesday, I actually was late also, so that was a no spend for me. All right, so on the 2nd, all I got was Starbucks, and that was from Fun Money. Was it Fun Money or Out to Eat? Oh, no, it was Out to Eat. Why am I messing this up so bad, you guys? Oh, my gosh, I'm so sorry. All right, let's go here. Starbucks. Because I forgot that I actually put $20 towards Starbucks. And my phone went off. That's great. While I was filming. So all I did have was Starbucks, which was $4. And then on the 4th, we had a surprise birthday dinner. Well, actually, my future sister-in-law knew, they were coming over to have wings and everything, but she didn't know that I invited her sisters. So we just had a big party. So I went to Publix, and I used my fun money because, you know, it was a birthday party, so it was fun. So I used $33, and I bought some, like, what did I buy? I bought wings, I bought sauces for that, I bought some macaroni, all that stuff to make it. So I spent $33, and that's pretty much it. So I didn't spend much towards the end of the week, the end of the check-in, but at the beginning I did spend a lot. All right, so we are going to flip over. I'm going to move y'all out. All right, so our check-in. So for groceries, it's going to write the totals of groceries. Fun money, I had $60 this time. 20 for Out to Eat. Cushion, I had, was it $200? I think it was $200 I actually had. Let me check it real quick, because I have my little cheat sheet bullet. $200, yeah. And then sinking funds was, ooh, I don't know how much sinking funds was. Let's see, because I did not add it. Let's see, I'm going to check, and then I will be right back with y'all. Alright, you guys, so I have, as you can see on the calculator, is $1,649 is how much I had in my sinking funds. Alright, so for groceries, we spent $46. Gas, we spent $20. Fun money, we spent $33. Out to Eat, we spent $4. Cushion, we spent $23. And then sinking funds, we spent $728. All right, gonna zoom you in for just a little bit. Cancel that out, and then we will see how much we will have to have left. So $100 minus 46 equals to $54. So let's make sure that we have $54 in our grocery fund. 50, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is correct. I do have some coins I need to put in my jar. So we have $54 left. And then gas, which when you are seeing this on Thursday, I will only have $20 left, because I have to go and get gas. So that is $40. Fun money, let's see, I had $60 minus 33 equals $27 is how much we should have left. So let's see. 25, 6, and 7. So that is right. Out to Eat, we had $4. Try to have $16 left. 10, 15, and 16. Alright, and then cushion was $23, $177, and then sinking funds $1,649 minus $728 will equals to, I will have $921, you guys. Alright, you guys, so that is it. That is my weekly check-in. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if y'all are enjoying it. Let me know if y'all like these kits, because Cammie did excellent on this one. She did change the paper, I think, on it, but absolutely love it. And let me know if y'all are having a good week. Let me know how y'all are doing on y'all's Black Friday shopping, Christmas shopping, Cyber Monday shopping, anything. I would love to hear about it. And I will see you guys later. Hopefully, the giveaway video will be posted up I finally got something for you guys, and it took me a while, but I finally decided what I wanted to do, and hopefully that video will be up on Friday when y'all are watching this today. All right, you guys, so y'all have a blessed one, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.